Alright, what's going on, guys? Here, X Landscaper back with another video for you. I got a little present in the mail here. As you can see, a little RekGen action. What are they? Merica mud flaps. Oh yeah. So, quick little installation today. Very easy. I have dealer that I bought it from gave me these crappy 112 Chevy. I'm advertising for them, so we're gonna get rid of those and put these bad boys on. So, and I'm gonna rotate the tires. So 1, 2, 3 installation. Stay tuned. Being that I'm rotating the tires, I'm quickly just gonna jack it up. So use the rear end right there, and then I'm gonna throw it on jack stands and that should be enough. Alright. Let's take these rear tires off. Alright, for those of you who are curious, socket size is 7/8. If you're using an impact wrench, make sure you use an impact socket. Those chrome things are known to split and explode and get you in the face. So, that being said, Alright, so with mine, I already have these factory mud flaps on here. So it's just going to be 8mm. This is going to come off. Then this is like 2 Torx. And this factory piece of shit comes right off. So I'll go ahead and take this off. If I can one-handed here. There we go. Alright, so I'll get this off and then I'll come back to you with the new flap. Should be easy. Should be using the same holes. It looks like the factory already has punch outs, but in the kit it actually comes with no drill clips, but these already have holes built into it, so we'll see what happens when I get there. So, alright, hang tight, be right back. Alright, so I kind of mocked it up. It was hard to do, one-handed with the camera, so basically you're gonna have this piece. This is gonna be like your no drill piece. This kind of slips in like kind of like that, right? And then you're gonna use the supplied hardware, put the nuts on and the washers. It says to use your factory screws if you can. I couldn't because these are a little bit thicker than the ones that came with the truck. So you have to use these, but it looks like it's stainless steel, so it should be all right. These washers are not. These are metal washers, so expect for these to rust. So I'm gonna spray them with, what do you call it, fluid film, and that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these up. This is just a regular Phillips, and I don't know what size that is yet. Tighten it up, and should be good to go. And then I'll hit the other side and see what it looks like. Alright, here we are, left side, passenger side. Just do the same thing. Take this guy out. Okay. Your 2 Torx right here. One, 2. Come on, go, bro. There we go. And I'll go get the other mud flap. Alright, so what I did is you take these washers. They look to be stainless steel. These screws look to be stainless steel, but these washers here, these are definitely metal. So I don't know why they cheaped out. Everything else looks to be stainless. This looks to be This clip looks to be nice stainless. I don't know why they give you crappy metal washers, but you know, we'll go to the hardware store and we'll change them out. But anyways, these two screws go in here. Now your thing is loosely fitted. This is going to be hard to do one-handed, but this goes in like such, and you just line your holes up. Let me see if I can do this one-handed here. Like that, just like that. All right, and then you get your I don't know if you guys can see, it's kind of dark. You get your crappy metal washers, put them on, put your nylock nuts on, and I got a little anal on the other side. I got the level to make sure this thing was perfectly straight up and down. I mean, you could do it by eye, but you know, it is what it is. So let me use two hands. I'll get these things loosely tightened up, and I'll show you how it looks. All right, so I got the two front tires back on with the rotation. For those of you who are curious for rear-wheel drive vehicles, the rear tires, left rear, right rear, they go straight to the front. All right, and then your fronts, your front passenger goes to the driver's rear, your driver's front goes to the passenger rear. That's how you do it on a rear-wheel drive truck. So I'm just gonna get these rear tires put on, and then we'll show you what the mud flaps look like, finished product. All right, so tires are rotated and the mud flaps are on. I don't really like how these, I mean, shiny stainless, I could take some whatchamacallit, paint to them. They stand out a little bit, and these washers, they kind of suck. You gotta get bigger washers. I don't like how they did that, but other than that, they're pretty nice. They're freaking nice and thick, heavy duty, and they look pretty sweet. That's the website if you guys want to check them out. Not sponsored. I don't get paid a dime for these videos, but check them out. That's what they look like on there. I don't know if you guys can see or not. I know the sun's kind of, these are the, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that, but it's got the American flag logo blacked out. There's silver ones, color ones, there's all different types. So I just went with the Merica. I think that's actually what they're called, actually, Merica. But yeah, they're pretty cool. Look at that exhaust. Oh, it's sexy. Actually, you know what? While we're here, let's get a little patriotic fucking red, white, and blue smoke going on here. Oh, yeah. America. Ah, well, I guess that about does it. Truck's dirty. Gotta get cleaned up, but still looks pretty damn good. So, alright, if you guys got any questions, hit me up. If you haven't already, subscribe. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Alright, later.